may net area. Let's see if her service will actually spell the difference.
Service good.
Boli, blocked by Yonko. Boli, Yumi Yonko is there. Desanganyo, Yari Yonko.
Blocked by Boli.
Combination now for Monique Chanco. Yan ang off the block. The Roses nag-swimming.
Not able to save the ball.
23-22.
So Desengaño still at the service line. She now has 10 points to her name. 5 points from attack, 4 from block, and 1 service ace.
Crisostomo this time fielding the long serve. Boli blocked by Yonko.
But a good coverage there from San Sebastian.
Villegas gives it up. Nuna, quick hit. Tied at 23.
And once again, it is a drop shot from Nunag. That's really spoiling the defense of San Sebastian.
Timeout for Clint Malazzo once again.
Bumuka ka ha. Bumuka ka. Stress mo lang dito. Huwag mo masyadong idikit. Huwag masyadong mababa. Yung mga ka-discarte siya ng talo. Yan. Kung ma-approach ka ng convincing ha. Or, ikot mo lang. Maliit yun nandito eh. Yeah. Kaso lang yung bola mo yung
Well, the service still belongs to Lasal Dasmariñas dito. Basahan ng play eh, no?
That's well, very interesting of course for both coaches. Yung talagang you'll try to read kung ano yung gagawing opensa ng kalaban.
Desengaño.
Service good.
Nicely done. Oh, Crisostomo and Nunag almost scoring. Boli, Lara, Desengaño, Chanco, off the block, it drops in. Match point, Lasal Dasmariñas. It's better to be lucky than good sometimes.
That's right. And well, Lasal has been very lucky. Desengaño still at the service line. So kailangan ipasok lang sa magandang serve. And she does.
Crisostomo, they go to Boli, blocked there by Nunag, pero lalabas.
That was outside. So we are tied at 24.
Race to 26 ngayon, Ivy.
26, that's right. And strong front line now for San Sebastian.
Good effort by Nunag. Naubusan lang na espasyo. Villegas serving. Desengaño. And that is a hit there from Yari Yonko. Match point again for Lasal Dasmariñas. Canillas will come back in the game. As the rotation. Oh, rotation puts Nunag in the back. So si Canillas, the serve specialist, now serving for the match. Crisostomo. Runner again for Sue, and she saves it. Now a race to 27.
And you see the frustration in Chanco's face. Mas mataas nga naman yung check ball. Kaya pang habulin. And nobody really did go after that. It is Jan Boli at the serve. So just safely over. Here we go to Yonko.
Oh, wow. Yan ang tinatawag natin. The great players step up when they're needed. At yan si Yari Yonko. Pangatlong match point na ito ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Or somehow hindi nila ma-convert. Monique Chanco. Urbano. Soltones.
Ball is still alive, and it is a free ball from Lasal.
Chance now here for San Sebastian. Sue.
Set was too low.
Manzano across. Crisostomo one more time around. They go to Soltones.
And that down the line hit worked for San Sebastian. You can see how the Lasal was scrambling, because they have very strong offense here in for San Sebastian.
Risha Crisostomo tied at 26. Now a race to 28. Nice serve. Yonko. Chanco. Free ball, Manzano. Chance now for San Sebastian. Crisostomo. And Verbano gets it.
Good combination from San Sebastian hitting the corner. I think Lasal was actually expecting the set to go to either Soltones or to Roses.
Well, ta-timeout na itong si Darwin Campana as it is now set point for San Sebastian.
Patay agad. Guys, isang ano lang, patay agad.
Ganda ng input to ni Cherry Rose Nunan. Ang problema, wala naman siya sa loob ng court. Isang mabilis lang, patay agad. Yes, you can do that if you're in the court. As you take a look at this last one, coming from Zarina Verbano, walang katao-tao sa zone 1.
And there was no blockers going up against her as well. So magandang play in-execute ng San Sebastian. Crisostomo now for the serve.
Serving for the set.
Serve is good.
Desengaño. Lara! Where did that come from? Yan ang magandang bunot. Maridet Lara in the open, natural na natural sa kanya yung position
Yeah.
din, no? Now a race to 29. Serve by Yonko is okay. Running attack. Sue blocked there by Lara.
Ball is still alive. They go to Manzano.
And Manzano gets it. Another match point for Lasal Dasmariñas. This is their 4th match point. Ngayon yung kanila superstar, si Yari Yonko, magsaserve. Crisostomo. Verbano blocked there again by Desengaño.
Ball is still alive.
Roses. Chanco. Desengaño. Maridet Lara. Zarina Verbano. Here's Manzano off the block. Still alive.
Still alive.
Soltones. Here is Manzano. Turned back by Roses. Lara. And this is a long rally. Great dig. Manzano free ball. Crisostomo. Trisha. Gretchen Soltones. Kept alive by Yari. And it's still alive.
They will go to Manzano once again.
Wow.
Crisostomo with the dig.
Soltones.
Soltones.
Grabe, ang haba ng point. Lara. Still kept alive. Only across. Here's Manzano. Finally. Darwin Campana raising his hands in victory.
After a very, very long rally.
That must be the point of the season so far. Pati mga referee na pagod. 29-27. Finally converting on the 4th match point. Pero grabe yung rally na yun.
That was a very
that's
long
the best
rally.
one.
Yeah, best rally. Both teams really showed good, excellent defense, but that last drop shot from Manzano was the one that made it for Lasal.
And that was our shaky shake and play. We'll be right back. Wow, what a final point in that third set. 29-27, De La Salle Dasmariñas straight sets victory over San Sebastian. And Remulla now is with our Shakey's player of the game.
Thanks, Noel. I'm very happy to introduce our Shakey's best player of the game kasi normally ang napipili natin mga attackers and this time around it's different. I have here with me Mariel Desengaño, the setter. Okay, of course, getting the best player of the game. Mariel, isang question, no? Wala si Chisa today. What did you do to step up and makapag-deliver ka ngayong game na to?
Ayun, yun nga po, wala po si Ate Chi. Then sabi ng coach ko, kahit wala siya, push pa rin namin sarili namin na i-handle yung team po namin. Saka lalo po ako. Siyempre, sobrang kaba po kasi first time. Yun po.
Okay. And then, bukod dyan, nakita natin, first 2 sets, inyo yung laro. Pero pagdating ng third set, dumikit at saka ang haba. Ano sa tingin mo ang naging advantage ng DLSU sa San Sebastian kaya kayo nanalo ng third set?
Ayun, sa third set ka po, dikit lang. Ginawa lang po namin best namin, lalo po yung depensa namin. Yun lang po.
All right. With that, of course, since you're Shakey's best player of the game, you have a whole box of pizza from our Shakey's representative. And aside from that, you might want to thank people who are supporting DLSU.
Ayun, unahin ko muna batiin yung mami ko tsaka daddy ko, yun. Tsaka yung kay Ate Jen Manzano, si Sunday, thank you daw. Tsaka yung ko family, yun lang po.
All right. Once again, congratulations. Back to you, Noel and Ivy.
Very deserving, great defense shown, and great poise down the stretch, Ivy.
Definitely, and very promising player, Noel.
Right.
So we are sure that we'll be seeing more from her in the future.
Well, dyan po magtatapos itong ating coverage para sa larong ito. On behalf of the Remulla Sisters, ito po si Noel Zarate.